In this episode of your review channel, we're going to be talking about eBay shipping. Free shipping or no free shipping? What do you do? Leave a comment below. Take the survey on top. I'm going to have a survey. Tell me what you think about that. I'm going to go over an example of basically shipping and free shipping and no free shipping for the exact same item. We're going to take a look at that and see what you think. So that is the question on this video. Very, very interesting video. Free shipping or charge for shipping? That's what this video is about, and let's get to it right now. Okay guys, so what do you think? Free shipping and no free shipping? That is the question. So if you've been selling on eBay at all, and if you want to know, people always ask, should I charge shipping or should I give free shipping? You know, it really is about the same, honestly. It depends on how you want to do it. A lot of people like the free shipping because they think they get better search results, and yes and no. It all depends. Are you running an auction? Auctions, you know, you can run free shipping with auctions, but you do risk selling something low and it should be a little bit higher, so you got to be careful with auctions. So free shipping or no free shipping is really more in the fixed sale of an item. That's my opinion, as far as I'm concerned. So let's give an example here. So everything in this column here, I ran two different filters, and you're going to see the difference, okay? This is basically a Michael Kors woman's belt. So this is the example that I use. So all these listings that sold offered free shipping. Okay, so we have 25 belts that sold with free shipping. Okay, let's take a look at that. So you search by pre-owned, okay, not new. Buy it now, which means basically like a store listing, okay. I checked off free shipping, as you can see here, and I also put completed and sold. So this gives me the results in the last 90 days that eBay holds the information on free shipping. So by this specific information that I'm pulling out of eBay, 25 women's belts sold free shipping. Okay, so you look at that, and you look at that data and say, you know, $23, $21, you know, there's all different prices here, you know, $15. It depends, right? It's all over the place. Depends what you pay for it. If you found it, it's yours, whatever, you don't care. You'll sell it. If you're trying to make some money, you know, what you pay for it, you get it at a yard sale for like $2, and I guess $20 is great. So it all depends on how you look at it. You got to calculate fees, you got to calculate shipping, and you got to calculate final value fee. You just got to make sure you know what you're doing. You know, just because you think you're gonna make $10, you really don't. Even to ship the smallest package is like $3.50 today. It's crazy, the shipping rates. So just make sure you know your information. So let's go over here. So that is the listings that is free shipping. And in this column, I pretty much did the same search, but I removed free shipping. So we have pre-owned, right? Same thing, buy it now, so it removes all the auctions. And we have the sold. So this does both. This will give you, there's no way to search, just take away the free shipping and then free shipping. There's no way to really use that. You're going to really kind of use a calculator to figure this out. So if you have 72 belts that sold, mixed, could be shipping and no shipping, okay? And you can see here, so pre-owned, buy it now, removes the auctions again, so this is a fair test. We have 72 belts total. So if you take 72 belts and you remove 25 belts, okay, that's how many belts have sold without free shipping. That's pretty much. So 47 belts sold that didn't have free shipping. And you can see some examples here in the listings here. $8.45 for this one over here. You can see that. $5 shipping for this one over here. $4.70 shipping for over here, okay? And you have another one here. $5 over here. $5 over there. So my opinion is free shipping and no free shipping. I think really if you charge a little bit of shipping and you have a better price, you actually get you might get a better sale through. I think in all, that's pretty much how that works. That's just my opinion. I mean, based on, you know, the research right here, so 47 belts sold that didn't have free shipping. So that's kind of weird, right? It's like, wow, you're thinking free shipping is everything. Well, free shipping is important, but price comes up first, okay? So when people are searching for items, eBay will always display usually the inexpensive, the cheapest price. Even if it doesn't matter, they don't calculate, well, you have free shipping, I'm going to put you up first, doesn't matter. I don't think it goes that way. It really goes about the price. So if you're charging $15 and the other person's charging $25 free shipping, you're going to be seen first. Doesn't matter. So that's pretty much my opinion. That's my thought. You know, you can do what you want. You can do your own research. You can kind of play with it and figure it out on your own and think, you know, how you want to play it. Yeah, it depends. You know, it depends on the item. Again, this is you know, there's a lot of belts out there, so you have a lot of competition. So you got to calculate that as well, as far as when you're pricing your items. But the question really is shipping or no free shipping. In this example here, I think charging a little shipping is actually, you know, if it comes out, you get better research results. You're going to be on top. You know, the person who's charging $29 with free shipping and even free returns, so they'll get even better search ranking than you would. But the person's going to spend $15 and maybe, no, you know, I don't care about that belt. This is $15. That's what they think of. They don't, as well as they think the shipping is free, they also know the price is the price, and that's pretty much what it comes down to. So when you do your research, you know, make sure you do it correctly. You know, I've done both. I've mixed in free shipping and I've mixed in shipping, and, you know, played with it and tried to figure out which one works. I even did the free shipping and free returns and, you know, the whole thing. Really, the bottom line is good images, decent description, and really a good price seems to be the best follow through. Okay, that has the least resistance as far as the sell-through factor, and that's what I think. So this is just a little example. You know, let me know below what you do. You do free shipping or no free shipping? I'm going to do a survey on top here. You're going to see it popping up. It's going to say, do you offer free shipping, yes or no? Or, you know, just let me know. This is like a survey, so anybody else who's watching this video can actually get an idea, you know, how the survey is going, and that's pretty much what it is. I think it's kind of a good idea. So if you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share. It always helps me out, as always, as you know. I appreciate that. And I'm going to be going through some more examples about eBay and also Amazon and different products, and also different research ideas. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Then again, if you didn't, let me know. So it's okay either way. You know, I appreciate that either way. Either way, your feedback is great. You know, leave a comment below. Let me know. And that's it for this one. So hope you enjoy. You have a great day and be safe.